Hey everybody, coming to you with the pile of coffee, man. Let me get my seatbelt put on. I know that would drive you crazy because it drives me crazy. There it is, it's on. Pile of coffee, everybody. I got a, what is it called? A restriction. For a violation of copyright on my live stream, so I'm gonna have to come to you this way. Plus, I think when I was, I don't know, just talking and going on and on. I mean, I asked Alexa like several times, play me uncopyrighted music. I don't know, is what it is. Life goes on, right? But I'm here and now. I can still upload videos. You know, we got this pile of coffee hitting hard, man. I'll tell you what, it's freaking good coffee. Let me tell you, it's not the best damn coffee in my life, but remember, like and subscribe if you haven't already. I got a lot of people that I met over the last few days, and I tell you what, I really appreciate you guys. Hit the like button, let me know you're still there, because I'm not really sure how to handle this, but I feel like a kid in the playground and I threw a rock or something. I don't know, is what it is, but I'm hoping that I can continue, keep everything blessed and positive, keep everyday accomplishments 100, you know, try to get done what you got to get done, see your friends and family, most and foremost. But on the other side, we got this right here. How do you flip this? I don't know, hold on. I was gonna flip the camera, but it's not letting me flip the camera. I was gonna show you outside so you didn't have to just deal with me. But I was gonna stream some of my videos, not live because I'm not allowed right now. But meanwhile, you guys are the ones that's important. Let's get some likes and so I know you're in the room. I don't necessarily need the subscribers. I don't need you guys to subscribe because you already did, but I still would like some subscribers. Like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see, but this right here is no content for you to like, share, and subscribe. But until next time, the pro you need to know. Thanks, Ed.